This week I take you with me on a day out with Demi and Noelle, two volunteers from the Netherlands who are staying with me for a few weeks. They also took care of my house for a whole week while I was away in Rotterdam for work to go to Placemaking week. At the end of the video I will show you what they did while I was away. So what we have here is a cardamom bun, vanilla heart, raspberry cave, and princess cake.
That's good.
This is it. What did you find?
I don't know how these are called in English, but they're used to comb out wool before you can spin it. So I have wool and I'm gonna put it in between these and then move it, and then afterwards you can use it.
And you said you've been looking for one.
Yes, I only have, I got tiny ones from a friend, but takes twice the time, and they're really expensive online actually, so I didn't want to invest in them quite yet.
Well, what's the price?
50.
50.
Ja,
jag tänkte med på tavlan om den går att få lite inpackad.
Jag ska se om jag hittar en sån stor sopsäck.
Ja. Ja, sopsäck.
Om det går. Vi får prova.
It's nice to see you from this side.
Dina kompisar. Varifrån är ni?
Where from are you?
Holland. Okay.
I am on my way to Copenhagen, to the airport to fly to Rotterdam. I'm gonna be there from Monday to Friday with work, so I won't be able to work a lot on the house. We made it to Amsterdam! So I haven't really talked about what I do for a living. I'm an urban designer and I work with safety in public spaces for the urban planning department of Helsingborg. I work on all scales, from a macro level, like designing a park or a bench, to development of neighborhoods and the strategies and methods we do in our work. When thinking about safety in public spaces, you have CCTV and situation or crime prevention on one side, and then more intangible parts we need to work with as well, like the identity of a place or community building and strengthening. This is where placemaking comes in, and we have been a part of a 2-year-long program with Placemaking Europe, together with 12 other European municipalities, from Ireland in west to Ukraine in east. We had a full day of work together with the other cities, and then 3 days of regular Placemaking Week program. I come home full of new ideas and energy to give back to my city. We also had time for some urban design sightseeing and did a lot of networking. genuinely happy to be back home in my house and in my own bed. While I was away, Demi and Noelle, they have been working on a few things. So I'm gonna show that now.